Puffed up numbers. Puffins have had a hard time in recent years. Populations of the little birds have severely declined. Today, puffins are rare in places where there used to be great numbers of them. But one group of puffins had a pleasant surprise this summer. They had a whole bunch of chicks. Best nesting season ever. Nesting season is the time of year when birds make their nests and lay their eggs. This year was the best nesting season ever for a group of Maine puffins. That is according to scientists from the Audubon Society, a group that works to protect birds. The Atlantic puffins are small seabirds. They have colorful beaks and a silly walk. The state of Maine is at the top right corner of the United States. This is as far south as puffins will breed. A group of puffins is called a colony. There is a large colony of eastern egg rock, an island off the coast of Maine. Audubon reported that the colony increased from 150 to 172 pairs during this year's nesting season. That is the highest single-year increase since puffins recolonized in this little island in 1981, said Steve Kress. He is a biologist with Audubon. Warming trends in water still gives cause for concern. It was an excellent year, Kress said. There's a reason to be happy and a reason to be concerned because there still is a long-term trend towards warming waters. Atlantic puffins are listed as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. This group keeps track of threatened animals. The vulnerable status means puffins are likely to become endangered unless something changes. Scientists say puffins are threatened by oceans becoming warmer. Also, there's not enough of the small fish they eat. But Audubon reports many good signs this year. Puffins nesting on nearby Seal Island and Marticanus Rock have also had a strong season. Seal Island saw 86% of puffin pairs successfully hatch a chick. That is one of the best seasons ever recorded for a colony. According to Audubon, the surface of the ocean water slightly cooler this year. That was good news for puffins. The lower temperature means better conditions for small fish, so the puffins had more to eat. Many of the puffin chicks on eastern egg rock were chubby. That was also a good sign, Kress said. Plumper chicks have a better chance of surviving when they head off to sea without their parents. Other nesting areas struggling. The birds are still having trouble breeding in other nesting areas, like Iceland, Kress said. He added that the Gulf of Maine is warming faster than most of the world's ocean. This is a long-term concern. But many scientists said the birds' good year in Maine is cause to celebrate, even if it's only for a year.